So y'all, we still out here hunting whatever's digging around. Got the dogs out here sniffing them out. Come on, y'all, hunt them up. Hunt them up. Hunt them up. As you can see, y'all, I still got them my big blueberries still up here. Wait till the rest of their leaves drop. And these are my three oldest blueberries. And that one right here, that's a Woodard. That's a Climax. That right there is a tougher blue. The Woodard, the Climax, and the tougher, I'm telling you, they are a little bit more forgiving with your pH level. So they're a pretty good variety to have. And they produce a lot, especially that Woodard and that Climax and that tougher. All three of them. You see the rest of them's right here. That little area. You see what I had to do to protect them from whatever was digging? I don't know if it was skunks, raccoon, what it was, but yeah. That's what I had to do. Oh, I got a little bit of good news to share with y'all this morning. Got a new position at work. Bidding on another job, got a new position. So I will be going back to days pretty soon. Don't know when, it might be the first of the year. It's a new department that's just opening up. New position, more money, first shift, much better. Come on, dog. The thing I'm gonna miss about it is watching some of the lives in the morning. I have to catch the replay. But yeah, that area is popping right there. That area is popping. You know, us as homesteaders, or homeowners in general, you got a lot of stuff that has to be repaired that some of us don't know how to do, but you still figure out a way to get it done. Just like me, the septic tank, it's a coupling coming loose up underneath the house, under the house, and then one in the ground right there. And I had to repair them, and had a big clog. I had to repair them. Me and my wife did, actually. We never did it before, but we did it. The shingles on the roof, I had to repair them 2 years ago. You got homeowners insurance. The only thing they want to pay for, give you enough money, is to buy a new shingle. They didn't want to fork out enough money to get somebody to actually do it for you. So I had to do. And if you know me, well, I'm kind of scared of heights. Not much when I was younger, but now that since I got older, you think about stuff more, and that fear comes in your mind. Yeah, that took me about half the summer to get that house, the house, and the outbuilding done, but I got them done. Solar panels, thought it was gonna be a good investment, but turns out not so much. But I'll get into that in another video. Just a little morning walk and talk. And you can see, I'll try to go slow and try to keep the camera steady. My wife's talking about moving the roses from over here. Come on, man, she can't do that. They only popping over here right now. She can't be moving my roses. They mine now. Don't tell I said that, y'all. Look at that pink one right there. It's popping. And she got them all labeled and tagged what they are, but I don't feel like going through the trouble getting in there. And you see, the banana's still doing great. Doing great. My pineapple guava still doing great. My raspberries doing pretty good. Starting to put out some flowers. Figs, I'm hoping to hurry up and get right before that first frost come. That's that Odom. This is my fig row. See how big these fig trees are? And if you would go back and watch the first of the season, how small they were, because they all died back to the ground. And they have shot up and did amazing. Hugo right there, that's what I call that Beer's Black. It's pushing about 7 foot now, y'all. And then the Beast, that LSU Purple, pushing about 6.5. They all died back to the ground. Look how fast they have grown. And I think it's because of 2 things. My homemade compost that I use, some 10-10-10 granulized fertilizer. You know, the compost and the 10-10-10 gets broke down by the microorganisms in the soil, and that what in turn feeds your plants. It don't really feed your plants. It feeds your soil. I just want to get that out there. But yeah. things are looking pretty good around here. There's some things not so much, just like that red nectarine and this red nectarine. Both of them defoliated. I know y'all hear me doing that coughing in a lot of my videos. And let me tell y'all a story about that. Back in 2020, I had a pretty bad wreck. We was coming from my Uncle Gary's funeral. My uncle on my dad's side. Stop it, calm down. Up there trying to do that fighting. But yeah, we was coming back from my Uncle Gary's funeral on my dad's side. And we left a little bit early because I had to be at, my dad lived about an hour and a half, 2 hours away from us. But we left a little bit early because, you know me, I don't like to see people get put in the ground. It just tears me up. I can't stand it. Never could. But we left a little bit early. My wife was driving my car, my baby, the car that I was proud of. Calm down. Stop. What they do the most. And we was going straight down four-lane highway, truck beside us. And this woman just come barreling out, and we didn't see it was too late. She smashed us, destroyed my baby, destroyed it. She was total. I laid in the hospital for 3 days, knocked my heart out of rhythm. And ever since then, I had this cough. The doctors them don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But, you know, it still hurts sometimes at night when I'm sleeping on my chest. But, quit! Get over here! Sorry about that, y'all. The dogs that try to do the most, man. They fight over sticks and everything. Look, and that's what they're doing now, fighting over sticks. Quit. Yeah, that happened. And we had a lawyer. Still to this day, we still hadn't, almost 2 years, it'll be 2 years, November 5th. And we still hadn't recuperated anything. And I'm still fighting it. But God will provide, and He will make a way. And I'm still striving. You can see that Mars blood orange. It was like 18 inches when I first got it, y'all, beginning of spring. Now it's like 2.5 foot. It's doing pretty good. It's putting on fruit right now. It's setting up fruit right now, but I'll take him off. The gummy climb cart, just going out the box. It's Moore's blood and Moore's. This is Myers lemon. She's putting on some fruit, some flowers. Looking pretty good. Another thing I want to say, shout out to a lot of these small YouTube creators. Most of them got great information, y'all. And a lot of them is very, very talented. I've been watching Unbiased LLC's lives and her videos, trying to help her get her monetization. She got skills for days, y'all. Things she can do is amazing. Y'all need to check her out. Miss Patty, I've been watching her. Miss Patty Southern Kitchen, been watching her. My brother from another mother, Juicing with Jay. Hey, I just gotta say, man, to him, appreciate you, man. Sharing me out. And I'm a nobody. I'm just a nobody trying to tell everybody about somebody. But anyway, I had to get that in. I'm sorry. I'm kind of like it. But he's a good man. And he shared me out, like I said. He didn't have to. He's a great content creator. If y'all want to know anything about pomegranates, dragon fruit, Juicing with Jay, man. Juicing with Jay. He is who you want to watch. I got a little dwarf pomegranate over there that I purchased at the beginning of the year because of Juicing Jay. From watching his show. Yeah, he's a great content creator, y'all, like I said. Yeah, I'll be going back to first with this new position. The only thing I'm not going to like about it is missing some of y'all lives. So I really enjoy it. I think I watch YouTube more than I watch regular TV now. But thank y'all for tuning in. Watch my little garden walk. And listen to me run my mouth. Once again, growing is my passion. Odom.